What's up guys, Junior here with NA Mustangs, bringing you back another video. For today's video, we actually got the amber taillights down back here. I don't know if any of you know what the amber taillights are. They're taillights off of the 9921 Cobra Mustangs. And they only came on those Mustangs, so you can only get them off of a Cobra, like a red Cobra, or if someone's selling them, anything like that. And if many of you know, these taillights have been going up in price like crazy. And actually, I was rocking these on my Roush for a while, and then I got the Euro Style 550 taillights on mine. But I'm going back to the ambers. So what Alex is doing, which he's actually over there in the background, we're actually gonna tint the taillights, and we're gonna leave the backup light and the amber light amber. And then, so this is how we do it.
Yeah, so it's pretty straightforward, kind of. You know, a lot of people, you can go out to the auto parts store and buy one of those cams that's they just don't look that great. I mean, they come out really dark and they look almost like plastic dip on them. So this is how you're supposed to, I guess, you know, smoke your headlights, taillights, any kind of lights. So we have here some clear coat that I'm gonna mix together, and then we have a little bit of, well, we have a bunch of black paint, but what we do is we put a little bit of the black paint in the clear coat once we mix it to make it have that little bit of a dark tint to it. And you know, we'll add a little bit of time till we have a good tint, and then you start spraying your headlights, taillights, whatever it is. I think last time we did about 6 coats. It just depends how dark you want them. So you can do only a few if you want a little bit. You can do probably like 9 coats, or you know, it just depends also how much black paint you add to your clear coat. So we're gonna get started here. So follow along and just see what we do here with these lights.
Alright, got them all masked out. So like I said, we're gonna leave the ambers and the backup light the normal color. We're just tinting what's the red. So Alex is about to get ready and to shoot right now. So stay tuned for the...
Just gonna tack the lights a little bit, make sure we don't have any lint in there. It's a small area, so you know, it's probably be fine, but better to be safe. We got the gun all ready to go, so make sure if you guys do spray at home, use your respirator so you don't get high. And then make sure that you spray the paint. Usually wherever you buy the paint, they'll give you this little strings, so that way when you fill your gun, you know, if there's anything in the paint, it catches it in here, so it doesn't mess with your paint. If you guys are a little bit more interested in learning how to spray, there's a guy in YouTube. His name is Brian. He has a Paint Society channel. He gives you really good tips on how to spray paint. I got a lot of tips from him, so go watch his stuff. It's really good. Again, I'm not professional, but we do all our stuff ourselves. So we're pretty much ready to start spraying, and then we'll come back and see how they come out afterward. So normally the first coat we just do a quick spray, pretty much just to get the area tacky for the next coats to be a little bit stickier, you know, the clear to stick to it. So you can tell when it's, you know, you can touch it, it feels sticky, kind of like the backside of the tape, but you don't see like little strings of the clear coming up. So I think it's kind of flash enough. We're gonna do a next coat now. And so we'll do a little bit thicker coat now that it's all tacky, and then from there we'll see how many coats we do.
All right, so we did the second coat, and like my uncle said, it's shiny now. You can tell they're a little darker, but of course we want them darker than that. So we're probably gonna do 2 more coats. We'll see how it goes. So we're gonna do the 3rd coat right now. We'll see how it looks afterwards. All right, so we came to a finish. We ended up doing 6 coats. And one thing you guys want to keep in mind is take the tape off, well, 15 minutes after you do the last coat. Just because if you let it dry, the paint will crack and it won't be a straight clean cut of the tape. So we took the tape off already, and here's the final product. They still have like a little red tint to them, but you can tell they're darker. And then I like the fact that you can really see the amber on these, because I know in some pictures on my Roush you really couldn't see the amber because the sun was hitting them. So there's that. Let me know what you guys think. I will link into some pictures once I put them back on the Roush in a little clip. So alright guys, so we let the lights sit for exactly 24 hours about. So I installed them yesterday. So here's what they look like once they're all dry, set in stone. So as you can see, they still have a red tone to them, but they're definitely darker than factory. So let me know what you guys think. Should I have left them original? I wanted to kind of tint them a little bit just because the red pops a lot with the scheme I got going on. And I always like the ambers. And then stay tuned for the next video. The bottom, the amber, I guess you can say, the blinker, I just have tape on it at the moment. We are planning on making a video of because I got sequentials. So we're gonna have the sequentials work along with the amber. So stay tuned for that video. We're probably gonna bring the wire or the cable all the way from the blink on the front. That way the amber doesn't turn on when you hit the brakes. So we'll see what we do there. And then let me know what you guys think. So as always, thanks for watching. Subscribe and then throw a like. Let me know in the comments what other videos you guys would like to see. I do plan on doing the Brom seat video. They are actually power seats still. So we're gonna show you guys how we mounted the factory brackets to the Brom seats. And then I did also do the Starlight headliner. We're gonna probably do a clip on that. And I got a few little more things coming on the inside. Actually, I haven't driven the Roush in about probably 2 months, so that's why I got everything here. So we'll see. It should be back out in a few weeks. I got some other stuff going on with Chris Groves, I think is his name, from Drop Top SBT, from SSR Collision. So stay tuned for that.